Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. This is me Shathi. In today's video I'm going to show you a very vibrant orangey eye look and I'm going to show you how to create fake freckles. So if you like this look and want to know how I create this, then please keep on watching. I have completed my base today and now I'm going to be using this Makeup Studio Amsterdam Anti-Aging Eye Primer as my eye base. I'm going to use this Pretty Also eyeshadow palette by You Can Be for today's look. I'm using this Morphe fluffy brush. I'm going to take this color and I'm applying it as my transition shade. I'm going to take this orange shade and I'm just blending it with my transition color in the crease area. And now I'm going to use this beautiful orange shade and I'm going to use this all over my lid. And I'm using this brush is by M.A.C. Taking this dark cool tone orange shade and I'm going to apply that on my outer third portion. Now I'm going to draw a winged liner and I'm going to be using this Maybelline gel liner. Now it's time to highlight my inner corner and I'm going to be taking this and this shimmery yellow shade. Now I'm going to tighten up my lower waterline with the help of this Lakme Iconic Kajal pencil. Taking that orange shade again and just blending under my lower lash line. Now I'm going to highlight my eyebrow bone with this Makeup Revolution Shimmer Big Radiant Highlighter palette. And now it's time for adding some mascara. So now I'm going to put some falsies and I'll be right back. I'm going to use this orange shade as my blush. And I'm applying the blush till here today. And I'm applying it on my nose too. This is the first time I have applied blush on my nose. And now the time is to add some glow. And I'm again using the same highlighter palette. Today I'm not going to add so much highlighter. So now I'm going to add some lipstick and I'm going to be using the ColourPop Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Mama. Now I'm going to add some fake freckles and I'm going to be using my brow pomade for this. to set my whole face makeup, I'm gonna be using this M.A.C Fix Plus. So here is the final look completed. I have tried this fake freckles for the first time and I'm loving this. And if you like this look, then please let me know by commenting below. And please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, then you will never miss any of my upcoming videos. And here I'm sharing the sunset eye look I have created before. You may like to watch this also. That's all for today. Hope to see you in my next video also. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.